So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. So next HP Office Jet Pro 9010, type that in the search box. So you can see this is your printer. By default detect your Windows 10. So click to choose or the other operating system, and which is are you using, select any. So if you using different OS, so no worry about it, all the installation process same, Windows 11, then update. So slow down, this is all offline online installations process. So you can see this is HP Easy Smart Easy so this is software. So you can see this. So this is firmware, all-in-one printer firmware. Just download. This is offline software. Okay, just click to download. Wait few seconds, it will start automatically. So when it is done, so just single click. Then click to yes. Continue. No. So this is for the software. So if you want to software, so you can click to yes. Then click to continue. So you can see this is three type to install driver, by wireless, wire and USB. So if you know very well your printer IP address, so you can select this. Okay, connect to your Wi-Fi. Otherwise you don't know and your printer is connected by your LAN, so select this wired. Okay, and if you want to connect by USB, so select this and then next. So you can see this cable connect to your laptop to printer by a printer cable, and when it is connected and detect will automatically processed, and after that install the driver. You just restart your system and printer also.